Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. We are doing our stuffing sinking funds. Absolutely love these videos. They are my absolute favorite thing to video because I love seeing where my money goes, and I also love watching my savings or my envelopes just growing and growing, and the money is just multiplying. So super excited about that. If you are new to my channel, hello, make sure you go and subscribe down there. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers, and that is my goal for September, is to reach 1,000 subscribers, and we will be doing a giveaway. Thank you for everybody who has returned. I appreciate y'all's support, and I just love you guys. Also, before we get started, I am using the Erin Condren. The link will be down below. This is the biggest one, is the 8.5 by 11. Not a lot of people use the big ones. A lot of people use the petite ones. Absolutely love the big ones because it just has more room for me and more lines. You know, I can write down everything that I want, and I just absolutely love it. So everything will be down below. Previous videos will be down below. I am using Simply Cammie's kit and her IG, her Instagram, and her YouTube. Follow her. She's amazing. Links will be down below also. So if you have watched my cash envelopes, we stuffed them and everything, and I forgot to mention how much money we have left over for our sinking funds. But as you can see, we have $148 to deal with for our sinking funds. Now, the $37 that you did see that we had left over for cash envelopes will go towards sinking funds. So that is included in the total. So we're going to subtract that, and that we will have to have $111 to get out from the bank, but we will get that later. Going back to $148, we are just going to be subtracting while we go down. All right, so first off, the stuff are in order from the greatest thing that I need to save for to the lowest thing. So for Christmas and Black Friday, we have it every year. We need to get started on saving. All right, so for Christmas, we are going to be putting $25. Black Friday will be $25 also. Wedding, I have 3 weddings to go to. Actually, I have 4 weddings. One next week, which my boyfriend and I are taking pictures for. And then we have 2 in October and 1 in November. So that will be $15 that we are going to put in. College, I already paid for my first semester. I am in psychology, if you have been watching my videos. And I need to save for the fall because I'm either going to get into the nursing program or I'm going to take another class. So that will be $25. Vacation, we don't have anything really planned until January, so that will be $20. Medical, I have a couple of doctor's appointments coming up, which will be $15. And then if you watched my other video, I think it was my weekly check-in, I did have a UTI, so I had to go and put that money in. I had to take $15 out, I believe, so I'm putting $15 back. Car, I have to get windshield wipers soon, so that will be $10. Gifts are mostly for birthdays, and my mom's birthday is coming up, so we're going to put $5. Beauty will be $3. I'm not too worried about building that up quite yet. Clothing is going to be $5, but we will put all the money back in because I do have a Stitch Fix box coming, and that is a clothing subscription, so probably going to have to buy a shirt. All right, and then tag is nothing. All right, so we have $148, so we're just going to subtract to make sure we have everything. So subtract 25, subtract 25, subtract 15, subtract 25, subtract 20, subtract 15, subtract 10, subtract 5, subtract 3, subtract 5. Oops. I just messed that up. Oh no! We have to start it all over. My gosh. All right, let's just add them. 25 plus 25 plus 15 plus 25 plus 20 plus 15 plus 10 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 equals 148. All right, so that is our total, $148, you guys. All right, so since we have $37 left over, all we need to do is get money out of the bank, which is $111. So we are going to get 0 50s. We're going to get 3 20s. 10s, we're going to get 1, 2, 3. 5s, we're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 5s and 1s. So we're actually going to just get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1s, we will get 1. All right, so that is 3, 3, 4, and 1. Let's add that up to make $111. So that's 2, 4, 6. 10, 20, 30, 5, 10, 15, 20, and then 1. $111, you guys. All right, so this is it. We're going to go to the bank. We're going to go get $111 out, and we will get to stuffing. I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, you guys, so we are back from the bank. As you can see, I already laid out the money, so we won't be taking up too much time. I got $111 out of the bank, plus I added the $37 already to the stack of money. Now I got my cash envelopes. They are not perfect. I did make these, but they are perfect for me. So maybe once I get better at it, maybe I'll consider selling them, but for right now, I'm just content of how they came out. So this is how we do it. If you're new, we are going to go down the list. We're going to get the money, and I'm going to show you the envelopes, and then we will count the total of it. Okay, you guys? So for Christmas, we are going to do $25. So that's 20 and 5. Let's see how much we have. So that's 50. Okay, let's see. 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, and 105. I gotta run this through. See, not perfect, you guys. I gotta run it through the laminator. Alright, so that is 105. Alright, Black Friday, you guys. If you have not seen this, I do have some Target gift cards that I've been saving. Okay, I've been saving. So it is $30. And we are actually going to put in 25. All right. All right, so that is 1. This is 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76. So $176 for Black Friday. I'm so excited for this. My goal is $175. Yep, $176. My goal is to have $200 as usually, but if I can get as much as I can, I will. Now, somebody asked me if what I buy during Black Friday, do I buy for people? Do I buy for myself? I always buy for myself first, because I always get books and movies and like sweatpants, anything like that. I always buy for myself. When I'm content of what I got for myself, then if I find something that I want to get for a family member or friends, then I will use my Black Friday. Otherwise, Black Friday envelope is for me. I will bring my Christmas envelope in case I do find something for other people. But like I said, that is what we are going to be doing. All right, so wedding will get $15. All right, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, $43. College will get 25. Let's see. $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, $95, $100, $5, and $10. $110, which I need to beef this up pretty soon. All right, vacation will get $20. So let's see, that is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 95. All right, medical will get $15. So I have 20, 30, 35. Car will get 10. So let's do, well, I'm going to have to do this 10. I was going to try to use some of the ones, but I couldn't. 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. $60. I'm going to have to get rid of some of these ones soon. All right, $60. Gifts will be $5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I don't think I have much in here. So I have 5, 10. So that would be $15. All right. Last two envelopes, you guys. Beauty will get $3. 1, 2, and 3. Sorry, my ones are upside down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13. All right, and then last but not least will be clothing. I still have not made a tag for that, and that will be $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oops. $15, and that will get 0. All right, you guys, so let's wrap up this video and see how much money is in our envelopes. So that is $105. $176. Hopefully this calculator will work. $43. $110. $95. $35. $60. $15. $13. And another $15. All right, you guys, so we have $667 in our sinking fund. So it is gradually growing, you guys, and I am so happy about that. I am so happy every 2 weeks I get paid and I can do this for you guys. I can film you or film myself stuffing these envelopes, and I just love the support that I have and telling me good job and everything. So thank you guys. But this is the end of our video. I hope y'all enjoy it. Let me know down below if y'all do sinking funds, because I absolutely love watching them. So let me know, and I will definitely go and check you guys out. Hopefully y'all have a good weekend, and I will see you guys later. Bye.